Hey guys, are you finding an indicator that can signify the trend of the stock? Here's one of the wonderful indicator that you can use for your trade. So let us start. First of all, as you can see in the indicator, it signifies a buy call and also a sell call based on the indicator. In today's video, we are going to use this indicator, buy sell alert signal, and also we will use MACD histogram to act as a supportive indicator to support for any buy and sell position. So let's start. First of all, as a disclaimer, this tutorial is for educational purpose only and does not contain any constitute financial advice. And in today's video, we are going to use indicator that are called super trend. So later we will try out for the indicator and we will optimize its settings in the settings step, and also we will add additional indicator to support the trade, and lastly we will find out the trending, profitability and losses. We will stimulate out using risk reward ratio, and we will find out for its profit loss, and we will use risk reward projection. We need to make sure our risk reward projection is more than 1, so we can have a reward bias trade in the indicator. So let's start. First of all, you can open up the indicator. In the indicator step, you can search for super trend. You can choose super trend strategy. So basically you can choose super trend strategy by key1. So you can just open it up, and also you can open MACD histogram as a support indicator to support any buy or sell position. So you can just open this indicator as a support. So as you can see, the signal will indicate a buy, sell and buy position. You can make the setting of the indicator based on your trading preference. For example, you can change the setting of your trading indicator. You can change, for example, you are using period, current period is 10, you can shorten it to maybe 5 or 4 if you are trading a short-term trade. And also you can change the source of the candlestick. Currently it's using for higher low, and you can change for the source for the data to be captured for others. And also you can use a average ratio multiplier based on your trading strategy. Besides, you also can customize your style and visibility of the indicator. So if you want to know how the indicator works, you can just go to the settings tab, 3 dot, and you can find out about this script. So it will show you the indicators and its definition, functionality. You can go through this by pressing the settings, and you can find out how does the indicator works and how to customize for your setting for each of the indicator. So let's start. So currently I'm trading for day trade. I'm trading for daily candlestick for 1 year time frame. So each of the candlestick will be closing as for 1 day, as you can see. So first of all, we will need to find the reversal point. So our reversal point will be from green turn into red, or even from red turn into green, and we need to take histogram as for our reference. So for example, at this point, it shows a reversal from green to red, means that it turned from bullish into bearish. As for the histogram, it also shows a significant changing of reversal. So basically, if you want to take a position based on this trade, we can plan for a short position as the reversal is turning from green to red. So for example, this is the opening of the next candlestick, and it shows a sell position with a high volume. So when the volume is high, it means that the sell position will be high, and you can plan for a short trade. For example, here you can plan the target based on this nearest support and resistance based on the previous graph, and the cut loss will be at the top. So basically, for this stimulated position, first of all, the risk reward is 1.48, means that we can make more reward compared to the risk in this short position. And also it shows a big spike of volume to support for the reversal trend. And lastly, for MACD, it shows short-term momentum will be more bearish compared to the long-term momentum. And also for our super trend, it shows a sell or short position. So basically for this, we'll take a short position to make a risk reward ratio for 1.48, and make sure that you are disciplined for your cut loss, take profit point to make any of the trade. So this is how you use risk reward projection to plan and strategize for your trade. And next we will find for the next position at here, for example. So this is the next position that we will be using for study at this area. First of all, as you can see, first for super trend, it turns from red into green. And for our histogram, it shows a upwards spike of change of momentum based on the histogram. So we are going to plan for a long position. This long position will start for this point, and we will refer to the previous position to here, and the cut loss will be at the nearest support and resistance. So if we are going to plan for this trade, the risk reward ratio will be 2.06, and also our target will be 4.32%. Stop loss will be 2.09%. So if you want to plan for this trade, first it shows a high spike of MACD histogram, so of short-term momentum turning bullish, and also it shows a trend reversal at super trend, and lastly the risk reward ratio is 2.06. So if you want to plan for this position, make sure that you are disciplined for your cut loss and take profit point. So yeah, basically this is how you can plan your strategy based on super trend indicator. Make sure that your time frame is corresponding to super trend period so that you can maximize the usage and the functionality of super trend. You need to customize and backtest the indicator first before you try for any indicator. Make sure that it suits for your strategy before you try. If you want to learn, you can just use paper trade first to stimulate out paper trading for trial first. Yeah, basically that's all for today's video. Thank you.